Good morning, class. We are still continuing with our topic of statistics. And as we said earlier, statistics involve collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. So, in collection, maybe you are told the ages of students, you move around, you ask for their ages, maybe 7 years old, 10 years old, 20. After collecting their ages, then you analyze. You analyze the information you've collected, you interpret it, you present, then you organize. So you can organize in terms of grouping or ungrouping. Like maybe you find their ages to be, you ask one person, she tells you the age is 10 years. The other one tells you it is 20 years. The other one is 15 years. Then you just leave them like that. That is ungrouping. Then grouping the data, maybe 5 people have told you their ages range between 10 to 15. So if 5 people told you that their ages are from 10 to 15, that 5 is the frequency. Then the interval now, from 10 to 15 there are 5 people. Then the ages from maybe 15 to 20 is 6 people. So that's how we group data. So today we are going to look at how to find median. So in finding the median, today we are going to look on how to find median. First, you have to understand the meaning of median. Median is the middle value when all numbers are arranged in ascending order. So maybe you are given this information to find the median of this data. So in finding the median, the first process the median, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So this is an example of ungrouped data. This is ungrouped data. When you want to find the median of ungrouped data, you arrange the values in ascending order. That means you arrange them from smallest to largest. So in our case here, the smallest value is 5. So we start with 5. Then followed by 6, then 7, we have 8, 10, then the largest value is 20. After arranging them in ascending order, you count how many numbers are there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers. So after finding this, to mean when you arrange them, you must have one number in the middle. So you cancel the last one and the first. The last and the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers, not 7. So when you cancel, you will realize you have 2 numbers in the middle. After finding the 2 numbers in the middle, because it's even, you will add 7 plus 8, then you divide by 2. What's 7 plus 8? 15. So 15 divided by 2, you get 7.5. So that's the median. Then another example. This is another example. So you also have to cancel the last number and the first. Then you will remain with 8 in the middle. So that 8 is the median. So after finding the median of ungrouped data, we want now to see on how to find the median of grouped data. We want now to find the median of grouped data. data is just making the data to be in somehow in groups. So when we have, let even the ages or even the number of students. So from 10 to 20, it can be then from 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So they're in groups. That's why we call it group data. So the first example that we're going to look at is the class interval. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, then 30 to 40. So this is the data we have. They are in groups from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. After being given this information, you have to know how many people are from 0 to 10. That is frequency. Frequencies we denote by F. Is how many people are from 0 to 10. Here we have 5. So 5 are from 0 to 10. Then 10 to 20 we have 10. 20 to 30 is 15. Then 30 to 40 is 8. So that's the frequency. After getting the frequency, we have to find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, we just add these frequencies from the word cumulative. When they accumulate, you accumulate them. To mean you are adding them. So here we have 5. Then 5 plus 10 is, what is 5 plus 10? 15. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Then 10 plus 15 is, no. We have 5 here. Then 5 plus 10 you get 15. So we have 15 here. You add to 15, you get 30. 30 plus 8 is 38. So that's how we find cumulative frequency. You start with the first one, which is 5, you write here. Then you add 10, you get 15. When you add 15, you get 30. When you add 8, you get 38. So after getting the cumulative frequency now, so this 38 is now the cumulative frequency. When you add all values, all these values, you will get 38. That's what we have here. After finding the cumulative frequency, then you have to know the formula of finding median of grouped data. So for the formula of finding the median of grouped data, we have L plus N over 2 minus CF over N plus height. So this is the formula of finding the median. So you have to know L, what is L, what is N, and CF and FM and H. So the first one is L. So L is the lower class limit. L is the lower class limit of the median class. Then N is the summation of the frequencies. When you add 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8, you get 38. So that's N. You add all the frequencies to get N. Then we have CF. So CF is cumulative frequency. But the CF we're going to use here is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. class, median class. So the first thing to know is to know the median class. Then you have to know how to find the median class. The median class will take n which is in our case is 38, and divide by 2 to get the median class. So that is 38 divided by 2. When you take 38 divided by 2, you get 16. Then you come here to find where 16 lies. So we have 5, 15, then 30. So 15 is in between 30 to 15 to 30. So 16 lies here. So the interval of the median class is from 20 to 30. This is where our median lies, in this interval, 20 to 30. After finding the class of the median class interval, which is 20 to 30, we have to know L, which is lower class limit of the median class. Here is the median class. The lower class limit is from 20 to 30. So the upper limit is 30, then the lower limit is 20. So we take the lower limit, that is L, lower class limit of the median class. So L is 20, because the limit is from 20 to 30, so L is 20. After finding L, you look for CF. CF is the frequency, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is the median class. Then class just above it, preceding, you look the class above it, which is 10 to 20. This is the class preceding the median class. After finding that class, we have to look at its cumulative frequency. So its cumulative frequency is 15. Then frequency of the median class. Median class is 20 to 30. Its frequency is 15. Then we have H. H is the class interval. The interval here is from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So H is the class interval. Interval is from 20 to 30. So you take 30 minus 20 to get the interval. What is 30 minus 20? 10. So the class interval, which is H, is 10. Then you substitute the values into our formula. So this is our formula, L plus N over 2 minus CF over FM times interval. So L in our case is 20. We take 20 plus N over 2. N is 38. So take 38, you divide by 2 minus cumulative frequency of the class preceding the class interval. It is 15. Over frequency of the class interval, also 15. Then you multiply by the H. H is the class interval. 30 minus 20, you get 10. You multiply by 10. So take 38 minus, divide by 2 is 16. 16 minus 15 over 15 times 10. So first, you have to find this one here, N over 2. After getting it, you minus 15. After minusing, you divide. Is when you multiply. You don't multiply before you divide. You first divide, then you multiply. After multiplying is when you add to this 20. So 16 minus 15 is 1. 1 divided by 15. 1 divided by 15 is 0.067. Then you times 10. When you multiply by 10, you get 0.67. This one you add to 20. So our median is 20.67. So if you want to confirm whether you are correct, we said you have to find the median of the interval of the median class. You take n divided by 2. 38 divided by 2, you get 16. Then you said 16 is somewhere here. You have 5, then 15, then to 30. To mean 16 is here, in between here. So to mean our median must be within this class, 20 to 30. If you find a median which is less than 20 or more than 30, no, you are wrong. Your median must fall within this class interval. Like our case, we have 20.67. 20.67 fall within this class interval. So this is the median. N divided by 2. N is 38. We divide by 2. 38. What is 38 divided by 2? It is 19, not 16. So our N here is 19. Then when you look here, 19 falls here. 15, then 30. To me, 19 is here. You still fall in that interval of 20 to 30. So here should be 19, not 16. Then you take 19 minus 15, you get 4. Then 4 divided by 15, you get 0.267. Then you times 10, you get 2.67 is when you add to 20. You get 22.67. So this is the median. Then when you look here at the class interval 20 to 30, and our value is 22.67. It falls in the median there, in that interval. I'm going to look another example. So here the information I'm given is the ages of 15 individuals. So these are the ages of 15 individuals. Then the question is find the mean. Find the median, not mean. So when you want to find the mean, the first thing to do is to arrange the information in ascending order. So ascending order to mean you start from the smallest to the largest. In this case, the smallest is 19. So 19 is the smallest value. After 19, we have 20, then 21, we have 22, then 23, 26, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29. After 29, we have 30. Then we have 31, 32, then 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After arranging them in that order, the next step is to group them into intervals. So like here, we can group them we can group from 19 to 21, then 22 to 24, 26 to 28, 29 to 31, then 32 33. So, after finding the class intervals, after grouping them, then this is not the class interval. After finding the class interval 19 to 21, 22 to 24, 25 to 27, like that, then you count from 19 to 21. How many numbers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. There are 3 numbers, so there is F, the frequency. From 19 to 21, we have 3 numbers. We write 3. How about from 22 to 24? 22 to 24, there are also 3. Then from 25 to 27, 25 to 27, there are 2. Then from 28 to 30, 28 to 30, there are 3. Then from 31 to 33 are also 3. After finding the frequency, you find the cumulative frequency. Here we have 3. You add 3 plus 3, you get 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. There is one number which is missing. It is 25. We didn't include 25. 25 should be here. So from 25 to 27, there are also 3, not 2. There are 3. So here should be 15. Because we were told it is ages of 15 individuals. So we have 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3 is 11. 9 plus then 12 plus 3 is 15. So after making that table, you have to know the formula. Formula for getting the median. It is L plus N over 2 minus CF over Fn over H. So L, we said L is the lower class limit of the median class. So first, you have to get N. N here is, in our case, we have 15. 15, N is 15. Then when you divide by 2, you get 7.5. Then you come here the cumulative frequency. 7.5. You have 3, 6, 9. To me, 7.5 is in between 6 to 9. So it lies here. So 25 to 27 is the class interval of the median. This is the median class interval. So L, which is the lower class limit of the median class, is 25. The upper class limit is 27, lower class limit is 25. So our L is 25. Then into, we have L. So our L is 25 plus N over 2, which is 15. N is 15 over 2 minus CF. CF, we said it's cumulative frequency of the class of the interval preceding the median class. This is the median class. So the class interval preceding is 22 to 24. So the cumulative frequency of this class interval is 6 over frequency of the median class. Median class is this one, 25 to 27. Its frequency is 3. times h. H is the class limit. So we take 27 minus 25. What's 27 minus 25? 2. So h is 2. Then we calculate 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 7.5 minus 6, you get 1.5. Divide by 3, you get 0.5. When you times 2, you get 1. What's 0.5 times 2? 1. Then you add to 25. 26. So our median is 26. When you see here, the interval is from 25 to 27 and our median is 26. So we said in finding the median of ungrouped data, what you need to do is to arrange the information, the data you have given in ascending order, then you find the median number, that's the median of the ungrouped data. Then to find the median of grouped data, you have to write them in form of class interval, you find the frequency and cumulative frequency. Then you use the formula of finding the median, which is L plus n over 2 minus cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. You divide by the frequency of the median class plus the class interval. So you will do these quizzes. You find the median. You will find the median of question 1, 2, and 3. Then make sure you bring your exercise book individually. Don't collect your books. Make sure you bring it individually. Find out which we will meet on the next class. Thank you.